Surviving Real Food Ranch. Wholesome, natural, family farming.
Good job, Bella. You want to try trotting?
These are our morning chores. So today we're moving the animals to their new paddock, which we do every morning. And because there's no grass growing, we're getting them some hay.
Awesome. Charlotte, what are you doing to help today?
Videoing everything and doing horse chores. Chaos the goat, Bentley, and Bella the dogs.
All right, and then I think I see some of the bigger dogs. Who are those bigger dogs?
Migo and Grizzly. And Yeti.
Right now, I have 4 paddocks set up. One for the cows, one for the bulls, one for the poultry, and then there's always the new one that they're moving into.
We have 2 dairy cows and 1 calf.
How many cows do you have on the meat side?
2 cows, 1 bull, and 2 steers.
Here comes the cows. Hi, honey. Hey. Hi, Maple. Hi again, Maple. Hey, how are you?
Cleo's getting that green grass.
There's Cleo. Hi, Cleo. And the other cows. Penelope, Dorothy, Ralph, and Zax. Cleo!
We currently raise mini Jersey cattle for dairy.
Hi, Cleo. There's the bull.
Our beef cattle is low-line Angus. I'm dragging around mobile shelters, and they are made out of oil-filled pipe welded together with a roof and a windbreak with plywood as a windbreak. The bottom pipes are kind of made like a ski, so the tip goes up, and that is our winter shelter. In the summertime, we'll take off the plywood, and that will be shade.
Nelson, T-Bone. Honey.
Gotta move the ATV.
Right now, because we had such a dry winter, our winter grass is not growing very well. So I'm feeding 3 bales of coastal in the morning and 3 bales of coastal in the evening. I try to find coastal that's not sprayed.
Nelson, T-Bone. Calves with no names. other than beef. Those are the calves with no names. That one's beef. Knife!
Nelson, T-Bone, there's more. Keep going. Get to the next shelter.
That's gonna move to somewhere over there.
I got it in case you needed the bowls.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
You can get this part.
The lonely red bull calf and the friendly four calves. I think you ran into it, Mom. We're going over there next.
As for the lambs, we have 9 ewes, which is a female lamb, 1 wither, which is a castrated male. There are, I don't remember how many babies.
All right, now you can get out if you want. We're gonna do the sheep and goats.
A research topic for the future.
For them.
The sheep we raise are Katahdin, which is a hair sheep.
Chaos will check it for you. Chaos will check it for you. Here come all the pretty sheep. And run. My angel. That's my angel right there. Run. Who's my angel?
And hair sheep means that they shed their wool. You do not have to shear them.
Hi, Valentine. And here's Chaos's sister.
Finding some green stuff in
This is Chaos's sister. Seriously, this is not a random goat. This is actually Chaos's sister. Right, Mom?
Yes.
And this is Chaos's mother. Tilly, hey, hey. You gonna look for the camera? Hey. Tilly, hey, look. Yeah. You good girl. Runt. Runt will say hi. Runt says hi for the camera. Yeah.
Valentine,
This is Dallas.
Serena, and Vanilla.
Vanilla and Valentine are our 2 original sheep. Those 2 produce all this. Or at least all the sheep part. And their babies then. But Runt is the best. Goodbye, goats. Bye, Chaos. Chaos gets to stay there for a while.
Charlotte, do you know how many goats you have at this point?
I'm still heading to math.
Okay.
Lambs.
So we have 3 remaining Great Pyrenees puppies.
I'm gonna turn that fence off before we go that way.
We have 1 that we are going to retain to watch our chickens. And I think we decided on the name Cloud Dude. And then we have 2 that are currently looking for new work, and that's Chunk and Indy.
Hi! Hi, puppies! He's like, where's the food?
Okay,
How old
there
are-
are 18 Nigerian Dwarf Goats.
There are 18 Nigerian Dwarf.
Hi, Chunk. This is Chunk. He's very friendly.
That's including the babies, right?
Yes, yes. 6 babies, 5 bucks, and 7 does.
Oh, let me go let this turkey do.
It's watching our chickens. Come on, Hawk. Let our chickens live. Chicken got hurt as a chick. So it has a missing leg, but it's been doing great. It's been walking fine. It's been doing fine. And here it comes. He's back. You're a chicken. Oh, it's coloring. Are you pretty? Yeah, you're pretty.
Our turkeys are white midget turkeys.
Human power.
Mom power.
There goes the chicken tractor or turkey shaw. That's a big boy.
The current breed of chicken is barnyard chicken. All these chickens were hatched here on the farm, and they are eggs that actually came from a neighbor.
I know, dude. Oh, hi, Chunk. This is Chunk. He's chunky. I love their curled little tail. Just want to squeeze it. I love it. And here comes a turkey. 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 And that one's doing a dance. Watch the fancy footwork. Beautiful. And then you ruin it. You ruined the dance. Let's go check for eggs now. So, just check the eggs. There is an egg. So, this egg is clean and nice. See right here? Let's see if I can focus. It's a nice clean egg. No poop on it whatsoever. It's because of this contraption. You want clean eggs. If you don't check them every day, or if you don't wash them and you get poopy eggs, this thing's great. Here, let's see if it'll focus. The chickens go in it, and then it's tilted down here. There's a tilt, and all the eggs will roll. Mom!
Is that in there?
Yep.
I looked, I didn't see it.
There's a polar pup! Polar pup!
Hi, dude.
Call him Chicken Dude. dude. Right, dude? He knows his name. Dude.
Sit. Good sit. Oh, sit. Good sit. Good sit. Yeah, that's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. Yeah. Good sit. 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 Good boy. Good sit. Sit. Good boy. That's a good sit. Alrighty. Gotta get water.
Well, that's going to be the end of today's video. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Thank you for watching Reviving Real Foods. Like and follow for bleed's sake.